Hello, I'm ETarte, math teacher. This is June 8th, 2014. This is the third in a group of 3 videos in which I document a lesson of math tutoring that I had with Nick, who is completing his work as a 5th grader. He will be going into the 6th grade this fall. He is 11 years old. In this tutoring session, we were exploring percent to supplement what he has been learning in math in his classroom. And this third video in the series is the shortest of the 3. It may be the most interesting, in which we can see how Nick reacts to my presenting to him a type of percent problem that he had never had before. I invite you to have paper and pencil handy if you're so inclined, so that if you wish, you may participate actively. I have one more situation to go over with you, and that is where a store is having a sale.
Like 50% off?
Yeah, something like that.
25% off.
So we're going to have a regular price, a percent off. You said 50% off, but I'm not going to use 50%. And a sale price.
What about a clearance?
That's another word for sale, clearance. Because they want to clear their shelves. They want to get people to buy by lowering the price. Okay, this is a clothing store, and a sweater that usually would cost $60, that's the regular price,
with how many
is on sale at 18% off. And I would like you to figure out the sale price.
Alright, so same method. 60 times 10. 60 times 10%.
Well, it isn't 10% off, it's 18% off.
But I'm using the shortcut.
Oh. I don't know if the shortcut is going to be actually that much of a shortcut. Could you just do it without trying a shortcut?
Oh, sure. 60 times 18.
What, the whole number 18? Point 18, that's right, 1800s.
Okay. So then $10.80.
Okay, so what does that mean?
That means how much percent off you'd get for 60 or for the price of a $60 thing. If it's 18% off, it would be $10.80.
Okay, put a dollar sign in front of that. That's money. Is that the sale price?
Yes.
No, it isn't. It takes one more step to get the sale price. This doesn't mean the sale price. Sale price means how much the customer would have to pay, and this is not how much the customer will have to pay.
So this is incorrect.
No, this is correct for the first step, but there's one more step. Just as there was one more step in this problem and in this problem.
So then, oh, that's how much money off it is.
Yes.
So then
that's
you would
right.
do.
Put the word off after that.
So then you would do $60 minus $10.80.
That's right. You wrote it wrong. You didn't write it.
The 0, 0, 0, 5, 9, 10, 2, 9, 4. So that is the sale price.
Yes. That's right. So this word off is very important. Here's how it works, and this is the logic behind it. It's the reasoning behind it. Because you use this 18% off in setting up the problem, what you get here is the money off. Okay. There is another way to work this problem, and it's kind of interesting in my opinion. If 18% is taken off, let me write this down. If 18% is taken off, then what percent is left on? How would you figure out this, regardless of the amount of money that's involved?
If 18% is taken off of
anything,
yeah,
if 18% is taken off, how would you figure out the percent that's left on?
49.
No. Let me go to another situation. If 50% is taken off of anything, what percent is left on?
50.
That's right. If 40% is taken off, what percent is left on?
50.
Not
Because
40.
there's 100%, and if 40% is taken off of 100, then that would leave 50% left.
No.
Or
not 50.
60.
60. That's right. What about if 30% is taken off? What percent would be left on?
70%.
Okay. Now use that method to find this percent. If 18% is taken off,
Then there would be. I know it. Her. $82.
that's right. Write that in blank. Now, here's what I'd like you to do. Take the regular price and multiply it by
82.
82 hundredths. Well, isn't that kind of interesting? See? It's another way to get the answer. It's to subtract the percent instead of subtracting the money. What subtraction problem did you use to get 82? What minus what?
100 minus 18.
Right, 100%
Minus 18%.
minus 18%. You did that in your head, which is good. So you did the subtracting with the percents, and then multiplying with the money. Okay, well, that's a good percent lesson. That'll be it for today. And that's the end of that math tutoring session with Nick that occurred a few days ago in early June 2014. If you'd like to see what happened in that same session before what you saw in this video, you can follow the links below this video. And I've got 10 other earlier tutoring session videos with Nick here on YouTube that you may be interested in watching. Thank you for watching and listening.